Hey travelers, welcome to Santorini, the jewel of the Aegean with travel to celebrate. It's a place born from legend, where whitewashed villages spill down volcanic cliffs. Feel the warm sun on your skin and the gentle Aegean breeze as you wander through winding, cobblestone alleys. Look beyond the perfect sunsets and infinity pools. This is an island that calls to the adventurer. This isn't just a vacation, it's an indulgence. Imagine waking up in a suite carved from a cliffside, your private infinity pool melting into the Aegean horizon. Santorini is not a place you just see, it's a feeling you carry with you forever. This view appears to be taken from the main caldera rim, most likely from the village of Imerovigli, or Fira, looking north. The most dominant feature is the massive sea-filled volcanic crater, which is the world-famous Santorini caldera. You can see the iconic white Cycladic villages clinging to the cliff tops. The village on the right is part of the Fira Imerovigli area, while the cluster of white buildings at the far northern tip of the crescent is the famous town of Oia. The view perfectly captures the famous way Oia's whitewashed and pastel-colored Cycladic houses, hotels, and churches cascade down the volcanic cliffs. The village is perched dramatically on the edge of the caldera, overlooking the deep blue Aegean Sea. Here in this panoramic view, the famous blue dome churches are a signature landmark of Oia. The specific arrangement of the domes in the scene is the classic postcard view that has made Santorini famous. This is an aerial view of a cluster of luxury hotels in Oia, Santorini, Greece. This iconic scenery is the combination of whitewashed buildings, a cobblestone alleyway, and a stunning view of the deep blue Aegean Sea. This view captures the essence of exploring Oia, wandering through its narrow, winding path that open up to breathtaking views. While this main infinity pool at Grace Hotel is one of the most famous and photographed in the world, known for its unique angular shape and its breathtaking, uninterrupted view. Here the shop is selling typical Greek and Santorini-themed souvenirs, such as sun hats, colorful scarves, bags, and items featuring Greek cats and blue domes. And this dramatic and powerful view is taken on one of Santorini's famous black sand beach, certainly Perched Beach. The most striking feature is the dark black sand, which is a direct result of the island's volcanic history. Here is the breathtaking view of Fira, famous for the densely packed, multi-level cluster of hotels, restaurants, and shops built directly into the caldera cliff face. The prominent white building with a clock tower in the upper right of the image is the Catholic Cathedral in Fira. Its distinctive architecture is a key landmark. Fira has a bustling, more varied architectural style with a mix of modern hotels and traditional buildings. This is a well-known public square and viewpoint along the famous Caldera Edge walking path that connects Fira, Stefani, and Imerovigli. The string of Greek flags and the general ambiance confirm the location is in Greece. These cube-shaped, whitewashed houses built into the cliffside are the signature architecture of the Cyclades Islands, and Santorini is the most famous example. And this is a classic and very recognizable view along the main pedestrian path in Oia, a world-renowned destination famous for its stunning sunsets and unique beauty. The church with the bright blue dome is one of the most famous landmarks in Greece. However, this view captures the famous sunset view from the ruins of the Byzantine castle of Aegean Nikolaos, often just called the Oia Castle. The image looks out over the Aegean Sea and the Santorini caldera. Here, the rugged fort-like ruins in the center of the image are what remains of the Byzantine castle of Aegean Nikolaos, or Oia Castle. This is the most popular spot in Oia to watch the sunset. This is an aerial view of the old port of Fira, Isjalos, Located at the bottom of the cliffs below Fira, the capital city of Santorini, Greece. Oia is world famous for its stunning sunsets over the Aegean Sea, and this photo captures the beautiful post-sunset glow. While these trail runs along the views of the deep blue Aegean Sea and the surrounding volcanic islands. Here, distinct, low, stone-walled terraces covering the hillsides are a classic feature of Santorini's agricultural landscape. From its breathtaking views to its unforgettable sunsets, Santorini is a celebration of life itself. If this journey inspired you, don't forget to hit that like button, share your dream destinations in the comments, and subscribe to Travel to Celebrate for more adventures.